Welcome back to Real Customization Stories. This is a demo invoice based on a real customer scenario. The customer came to us with a simple question. My customer has paid for some services but not all. How can I find out which service items are still pending? In many service businesses, billing is done using stock items to represent the different services such as consultancy, administration charges, brokerage, training, installation, AMC, etc. Tally Prime shows the customer's total outstanding amount, but it doesn't tell you which individual service items are still pending for the payment. That's why we developed this add-on. With our item-wise outstanding add-on, you can instantly see the outstanding amount for each service items under every customer. This is especially useful when customers make a partial payments. Instead of checking vouchers one by one, you can immediately identify which services are still unpaid. It also helps management to understand which service categories have higher pending collections, making it easier to improve credit control and business decisions. Now, here you can see 5 invoices have been created. Only 2 customers made a payment and those are partial payments. To solve this, we developed stock itemized outstanding add-on. It shows the outstanding amount for each individual service item. For example, you can instantly see that no customers has paid for administration charges. For training charges, no payments have been received. And for consultancy service, 3 customers still have pending payments. This makes it very easy to track service-wise outstanding and follow up with customers. We have also developed stock group-wise outstanding add-on. If you are interested, you can watch that video as well. The thumbnail is shown on the screen. To purchase this add-on, click the WhatsApp link in the comments or WhatsApp us on 90370 50040.